Hello crafters! This is Suzanne from A Creative Muse and I'm here with my last Kit Club card share. This is the Stitch Die of the Month, Be Stitched, where I used all these goodies to make this beautiful, fun, Be in Flight card amongst the vines. Love it! Let's take a closer look at this card. Let's get started. This is the Stitch Die of the Month and Kit Club ends on the 27th. The runaway hit this month has been the large die of the month, Honeybee Jar. And remember, if you subscribe to the Deluxe Caboodle Club, you could get this freebie as well. I'll put it here on the screen if both of these clubs are still available. Stitch Die of the Month. Isn't this one beautiful as well? So you make an oversized bee. The bee measures 4 1/8 of an inch wide, 3 3/4 of an inch tall, just the bee by itself, just the body, because you can adjust these wings. 3 inches tall, and then the width would still be around the same 4 1/4 because this one goes so far out. I mean, you could trim it down if you wanted to have more space. I have my example on an A6 card, which is 4 1/2 inch wide by 6 1/4 inch tall. This was a fun card to make. You make the body here in black, and then these are the pieces that layer in yellow. Didn't have black DMC floss. I have every color like a rainbow, but no black. I have a lot of white, but no black. So I did not stitch the yellow, but this is an example where I'm showing you really don't have to stitch it. I just put some gems in the center, and these are gems from my stash. On the body, I did use some yellow floss and stitch it up, and that was very quick stitching. Where it took a little time were these, but this actually wasn't that bad either. I used some cream DMC floss. This is white cardstock. On the edges here, I'm using brushed gold cardstock. Those edges, it's this die. If you wish, a lot of examples you'll see, they didn't put this piece. I thought it was nice to use, so I decided to use that accent piece, but you don't have to. For the flower, that's the topper that you see here, and it goes on top of these, okay? There are 4 examples of these stems with leaves and then the buds. I wanted it to be more like a vine. Seeing that it has this curved shape, I used that shape and took advantage of it to create this crawling vine type of thing where the bee is flying through. That's my story. I'm sticking with it. That was the feel I was going for. The green cardstock I'm using here is Spellbinders Peridot, and then I brought on ink and inked it. So this is a very bright green cardstock. In the background, I took from the Garden Collection by Wendy Vecchi, her 3D embossing folder, Flowers and Foliage. This is an oversized embossing folder, 5 1/2 inch wide, 8 1/2 inch tall. I will link that video where I showed the Press Posies collection, which is a Better Press Spring collection, and this collection right here. So I used this embossing folder on brushed white cardstock. This is my first time using brushed white in this sizing and embossed, and I think it is gorgeous. So see, it has a little bit of that pearlescent sheen, but not over the top. Very pretty. So against the white cardstock here, this ends up looking more matte when it's put against this. So you can use white cardstock against the brush white and you'll still get contrast. 2 thumbs up for that. And I also finished off my card with my favorite set of sentiments. I just keep singing the praises of this one. She's just so pretty to look at. I love it. 12 sentiments, covers all occasion. You get birthday, you get sympathy, you get congratulations, anniversaries. There's a lot of all occasion goodness in this one. You Are Everything sentiments, better press plate and die. Press this once, die cut it once, done. In this instance, glimmer it once, die cut it once, and I'm done. Black cardstock with opaque white hot foil roll. Oh, love. You Are Everything. This set should be called Yes, I Am Everything That You Want, and I'm Pretty Too. Love it. Love it. Alrighty, crafters. So I just wanted to hop on with my A6 card share, finishing out Kit Club with this beautiful Stitch Die of the Month. Be Stitched Dies. Love this. You can use these florals beyond this set as well. So I like the idea of using it as a vine and then putting something here, maybe just a sentiment. You could play and explore this, just like we've been exploring all the other beautiful florals this month. Okay, crafters, before I go, I just want to remind you, this month at Spellbinders, there is a freebie which is about to end, and it's a free gift with purchase, a die set. Happy for you. Here I did 2 examples. I'll insert that video here, which I did yesterday, and had a little crafty chit chat. This is a free gift with purchase. Spend $125. This will be added to your cart. But it doesn't apply to Kit Club items, okay? It will apply to your regular purchase, but there are so many new goodies anyway. You can explore this. Happy for you. Also, don't forget to enter the 2024 grand prize giveaway for the Spellbinders Platinum Machine with a better press. Yay! I will put a link in the description box below for the entry form on the Spellbinders website. Be stitched, and she is worth all the time and effort to put her together. I think this is a fantastic stitched die set. This is a beautiful Kit Club goodie. Love it, love it, love it. Perfect for spring, all year round crafting too. So glad they came out with this unique one, and this actually was fun to stitch. You make the 2 wings, and then that bottom piece, you just cut it twice, and you're done. Layer it up, and good to go. Loving embossing with that brushed white cardstock as well. I think it's just as pretty. I always use brushed gold, and then I go into brushed silver. The other 2 cardstock options that are available, brushed black and brushed white. I think I need to explore those more often, put those in the rotation as well. Emboss is great too, no cracking. Yay! Alrighty, crafters, everything will be detailed and linked below. Until the next video, stay crafty, my friends. Bye!